a battle of two unbeaten teams when Dartmouth travels to Apponequet Friday at 7 o'clock. I don't know. It's hard to call this game.
It really is. And last year it was 26-21 Dartmouth beat Apponequet. And I know it was a back and forth game last year, and I expect it to be the same this year. Both teams have come out dominant, early going this year. In 3 games, Apponequet has scored, I think it's over 40 points every single time they've been out to play. Actually, well, they're coming off a 57-6 win, but in their other 2 games, they'd scored 40 or more points.
And that was, I think, wasn't that with not scoring in the fourth quarter?
Yeah.
Yeah, I forget who it was, but somebody tweeted out, "I want to see a high school game hit 80 for the first time."
They could have. They really could have, but obviously they called the dogs off.
Mm-hmm.
But Dartmouth is also, they're coming off a bye right now, but they've had 2 big wins. They had a big win the first week. I think it was against trying to think, Attleboro. They'd scored, I think it was 30 or 40 points, and then they scored over 40 against Stang 2 weeks ago. So they've had, I think, 88 points in their first 2 games. So these are 2 teams that know how to put points on the board.
Sure.
And Apponequet, I think in the last couple weeks, they're showing that they're not just a rushing team. They do like to carry the ball. Matt Michael, congratulations to him. He owns the school record for most career touchdowns with 41, so he surpassed his brother.
Chad Goucher saying, "We got that out of the way. Now let me sling this thing around."
Yeah, so he had a couple passing touchdowns in that game. Troy Neumfeldt, he's been finding the end zone a few times. So they've had a bunch of different guys factoring in, and Dartmouth's been kind of the same deal. Chris Martin, he's been the one that scored most of their touchdowns, but against Stang they scored 7 touchdowns, and it was 7 different players scored touchdowns. And I know Matt Boparlin, he also is leading the team. I think he has, Chris Martin has 4 touchdowns on the year, and Matt Boparlin has 3 rushing touchdowns, and he's also thrown 2 more scores.
Wow.
So, both teams like to run the ball, but they can also, make the other team pay with, a pass here, a pass there. So it should be a high-scoring affair. If you want to drive up to Lakeville, it should be a lot of fun. It might take 4, 2 or 3 hours with all these touchdowns and everything. Right. But it definitely will be a fun game, and one of these teams is going to leave with their first loss.
The bands for both teams will be tired by the end from having to play, after each team scores.
Yeah, the celebration songs.
All right, so that'll be Friday at 7 o'clock at Apponequet. You can follow along with all the action at SC_varsity.